Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress Classic Editor. This powerful tool offers a user-friendly interface, making content creation simple and efficient. You will learn to navigate its features, from basic text formatting to embedding various media types. The Classic Editor provides a familiar experience, allowing you to focus on your message without complex distractions. It's designed for straightforward content management, ensuring your posts and pages look exactly as intended. Mastering text and media is fundamental to great content. The Classic Editor's intuitive toolbar allows you to easily bold, italicize, and create bulleted or numbered lists. You can effortlessly insert images and videos from your media library, enhancing your posts visually. Adding hyperlinks to external resources or other pages on your site is also a breeze. These essential tools empower you to craft engaging and well-structured content with just a few clicks. Understanding the two editing modes is key to full control. The visual mode presents your content in a what you see is what you get format, showing how it will look to your audience. Conversely, the text mode provides a raw HTML view, perfect for those who need to fine-tune code or embed custom elements. You can seamlessly switch between these modes using the tabs located at the top right of the editor, giving you flexibility for every task. Once your content is polished, it's time to share it with the world. Always remember to save your work as a draft frequently, ensuring no progress is lost. Before publishing, utilize the preview option to see exactly how your post or page will appear to visitors. When you are completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your carefully crafted content will then be live and accessible to your audience, ready for engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.